Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport faced massive disruptions recently when the flight operations witnessed suspected GPS spoofing incident. GPS spoofing involves manipulating navigation data with malicious intent, causing aircraft to compute false position or altitude reading as shown in figure. Red colored is the fake signal override the genuine satellite signals using specialized hardware or software. GPS spoofing is an attack in which a radio transmitter located near the target is used to interfere with legitimate GPS signals. The attacker can transmit no data at all or could transmit inaccurate coordinates. This is often a form of cyber attack perpetrated perpetrated by bad actors attempting to steal goods or people. Of course, GPS spoofing can be used to hijack UAVs and cars or confuse taxi drivers, drones, and sailors. The aircraft's navigation system pick up these counterfeit signals and calculate wrong data for position, altitude, time, and speed, which misleading terrain warnings according to pilots and ATC air traffic control sources. Spoofing is often reported in conflict zones like the Black Sea region, West Asia, and the Middle East, military actions area, or electronic warfare zones. Aircraft may end up flying blind or even worse, dangerously. Of course, the International Air Transport Association IATA recorded 4.3 lakh cases of GPS jamming or spoofing over conflict zone in 2024, up to 62% from 2023. What is a spoofing attack? A spoofing attack is a broad category of cyber attack where fake data is distinguished as originating from a trusted source or to deceive system or user. Generally, kinds of spoofing include GPS spoofing, IP spoofing, perform distributed denial service DDoS as well, SMS spoofing, and caller ID spoofing where messages or calls appear to be from another number or caller ID. These are spoofing attacks.